Hi friends, and welcome to the Mom Stuff Coffee Shop. Today I have a great video for you. I'm going to show you how to do a home wall wreath. I have seen these wreaths all around in magazines and beautiful home stores, and today I'm going to show you how to get your own perfect wall wreath for your home. So first, we're going to start off at Hobby Lobby. I just love Hobby Lobby. I don't know if you have one in your city, but Hobby Lobby is one of my favorite go-to stores. I didn't know if I wanted to go with cursive or big, bold, chunky letters for the wall. But as you saw in the intro, I went with the chunky letters. So at first I picked the cursive letters. I brought them home and my husband was like, no, people are not going to even know what they are. So I went with the chunky letters. But Hobby Lobby has such a great array to choose from. And here I am spreading these on the floor. Yes, I really wanted to see how they would look on the wall in cursive, and I found some really great sales. Hobby Lobby has some of the most amazing things in there. These are the books. Chip and Joanna Gaines, one of my inspirations for decorating. And as you see, they had so much stuff. I had to get myself together, y'all. I really had to get myself together because I was about to go crazy in Hobby Lobby, one of my favorite craft stores. So now, here I am at home. Let me tell you about this wreath. I bought this wreath for $1. Yes, I bought it for $1 after Easter sale. Hint, hint. So make sure you check out all your after sales. I mean, after Christmas, after Easter, after Thanksgiving. Those are when the things go on sale. And this was a beautiful wreath for $19.99. And here I am, when I popped those eggs off, I went to the Dollar Tree and found these beautiful, beautiful purple flowers. I absolutely love lavender, purple, anything with that color because it means bold, it means beauty, it means strength, and I just added a little pop of color to it. And here I am with my glue gun. I'm using my Gorilla Glue, and this Gorilla Glue is an extra hold, past your hold of your ordinary glue gun. But if you want it to be pliable, or if you want to take it out one day, maybe you wouldn't use Gorilla Glue, but I absolutely love Gorilla Glue. And I bought about two or three of these wreaths. So the next time I do the wreath for the wall, I'm going to switch it out into a Christmas color, and I'll keep all these in my storage room, in my storage cabinet. And that's one thing I would recommend too. If you're a creator, go ahead and get you a storage cabinet or a storage closet for all of you experts. So now I'm in Home Depot and I'm deciding, what am I going to hang these letters with? Sometimes it could be so overwhelming deciding which command strip do I buy. I absolutely love command strips, guys, because they have saved my walls. So many years, command strips have saved my walls from all that nailing in. So I decided on these picture hangers, large pair of the picture hangers, 6 pairs. So I love how you just make them kiss, smack, and then you just pop them on. For the E, I just went right over the top because the E, it's a letter where it didn't have the both lines. So the other ones, I just popped them right side to side. So here I am measuring my space for the wall. Guys, you really want to do this step. Don't skip this step, because when you measure, you want to be sure you have space in between each letter, enough space that it could look separated. Because what I wanted with my home wall is I wanted it to go down and almost touch the floor. So I measured it a little bit past my top of my door, and I love how the letters are big and bold and chunky. And one thing you could do for your wall, I just painted these walls, well actually my son just painted these walls of this color because I want to freshen up my house a bit. You could go ahead and use white letters. You could actually paint these with your favorite paint. It could be chalk paint, it could be the shiny paint in any color you would like. But I just measured my letters, and here I am pushing. You have to push them for 30 seconds each, and to make sure they're secure. And you're going to absolutely love command strips if you have not been working with command strips, because they're going to save your wall. You're not going to have all those dents in your walls and all of those holes. So I did redo the E over. I made it come down a little bit more, as you'll see in the picture, but voila, here it is. My brand new home sign. I wanted this sign, guys, for years. So I finally got enough courage and time to do it. And guess what? This project, if you find these on sale, they would be less than $20, and you can have your favorite wreath. Again, thank you for watching the Mom Stuff Coffee Shop. Please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.